Good morning, everybody. This is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we are still in this consolidation pattern on the Dow. It's actually a little bit more prominent than it is on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq actually. But last week we had big down, big up, big down, big up, big confusion. So nothing really to write home about last week, and we are still inside the highs of last week at the moment. So we are inside the highs and inside the lows. So we do have the FOMC meeting underway at the moment. Remember, that's a 3-day meeting, so you could have this sideways action for today as well, and then tomorrow definitely will be sideways. The catalyst that we do have that is different this FOMC minutes is the fact that we have earnings. So we've got some big stocks coming out this week. So at the moment we are sideways. It's not really conducive to trading, as you can see, but also at the same breath we have had a pretty strong move. We've rejected a level, we've come back to what is halfway of the range. So this is the top of the range, 34,151. Bottom of the range is 33,730. We tested the top, we've come back fairly close to the 50% pullback of the range. And look what's happening here. Not confirmed yet, but we've got some buyers stepping in, and we've got a green bar forming. This here is, depending where we finish on this hour bar, we've still got half an hour to go on this one, but if we can close above the previous bars, then you have a fairly good opportunity for a measured move up. And that takes us close to 34,472, and I think what I want to do is just do that, because that would be the target, 34,388. So just come down to the 15 minutes on this. Actually, it was on the hour. That was on a 3-hour chart, but you see, if you look at it on the hour, look at my oscillators, group to the downside, bouncing off the 155. And we have been above and below the moving averages at the moment, and well, at the moment we are holding above the 155. So pretty interesting scenario here, and we've broken a bit of a trend line. So only thing that is concerning me is it does look like we're forming a bit of a wedge. So there's our wedge. Okay, so with that in mind, I have two different scenarios that can play out. And I have a wedge target to the downside. And if you look very carefully, you'll see we have a gap here. And we've got some structure as well. And then I have a move up, consolidation, second move up to the upside. So basically we have a long and a short on offer here. And I think my advice to you is, for as long as we are going sideways on the hour like this, I think I'm going to stay out of this. I don't see confirmation of a move up, and I don't see the confirmation of the move down. I think that the down move is probably the better one, so another visit to the bottom of the range, and it'll probably make another high low more than likely. We had a double bottom here with diversions on the oscillators. We did rally, and it was Friday, but then yesterday was pretty much sideways to down. And we also have, I'm just going to make another bit of chaos here. So there is a double top here, which takes us a little bit further down. So lots of confusion here. I think for me, the best bets on this at the moment is take your lead from what's going on the 3-hour, and it can go either way. I mean, that's the bottom line, it can go either way. But I'll wait for the European Open and see which direction we're going. I favour the move to the upside. And even if we do fall to the bottom of the range, that's a buying opportunity for me. So if we do come down here, 33,837. That's a buying opportunity, not interested in chasing that short. Buying opportunity, and then I'm looking for the top of the range again. But at the moment, I'm sitting on my hands and waiting patiently for some decent structure to form. So this wedge does look rather ominous though on the 50-minute chart. So anyway, just remember FOMC minutes today. So we'll probably be volatile, well not quite volatile, but directionless. So just wandering along sideways for today and tomorrow, and before then actually getting some direction. Just pay attention to these gaps down here. You can see this one, it's blaringly clear, and I don't see another one further on, but that's definitely a gap. And looking at the structure that we have at the moment, that's a distinct possibility that we tag that gap. Anyway, it's range bound, big up, big down, in a range, big confusion. I'm sitting on the sidelines, as I said yesterday, not interested in this, not interested in the DAX. The S&P 500 does have a little bit more structure to it, but that's because it's tech heavy, and we've got some big tech stocks coming out with results this week. The Dow doesn't have that luxury. So yeah, I think for me, of the three indexes that I do, those are the two I'm looking for. Those are the two I'm not looking at, which is Wall Street, the Dow Jones, and DAX. I'll be focusing on the S&P 500 today. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.